All right, lesson 10. You have your outline. You starting to have your slides together. All right. Now you add in an intro lesson in the beginning, title screen intro lesson in the beginning. Like I said, I kind of briefly went over what to expect. And then you'll see coming up soon at the end a summary or recap lesson with a call to action. Now that call to action can be what your next step is, maybe your next product, maybe to follow you on socials, maybe your next course, whatever. But have a goal. What's the goal? What's the goal of the course? Excuse me. And how can you help them next? If it's for the right person and you solve the problem and you keep your promise, well, then they're going to be like, oh, that was great. What's next? If you did your job. So then you provide that at the end. So you have your outline, you have your avatar, you have your problem, you have your solution in a unique way, you have your unique angle, you have your signature system, all right? You have frameworks in the lessons, you have your step-by-step guide, then you add an intro, and you add a summary and a call to action at the end. Your course is shaping up. Oh, and by the way, you're leveraging AI with ChatGPT or whatever one you want to use, all right? So why do you do this? Number one, set clear expectations. Like we mentioned, it's got to be for the right people at the right time. Tell them right off the bat what you're looking to do and what the promise you're going to make. If it's not for them, they can leave. Don't waste their time. And if it's for them, they'll be looking forward to complete the course to get what they were looking for, all right? Clearly outline what the students are going to learn and achieve by the end of the course. Introduce yourself and your background, credibility, and connection. I guess I glanced over that, but here's the thing. I'm literally building this course with you right now. You can see I'm doing it because the topic is building a course, obviously. But if I was like, a weight loss specialist or like a real estate developer, I would show my properties or projects or, weight loss transformations. But in this specific situation, I guess I skipped over because you're watching me. You're watching me do it. All right. And if you're this far, then you're at least getting some value out of it. All right. Then it gives you the course overview, provide a high level of the structure, the topics, the flow, kind of how I said we're going to see ChatGPT first, and then I'll give my, thoughts and unique perspective on each lesson. So for the recap and summary, we want to reinforce the learning. And I've kind of been doing that each slide, if you notice, because I want to nail home what we've been doing on each. But essentially say, okay, good, because you want to make sure you're on the same page too. Maybe you can eventually give quizzes and check-ins, whatever, but to make it super simple in this first beginner course, you reinforce the learning. You summarize the main points and the key takeaways. You use the visual aids. Reiterate the qualification quadrant, okay? Did you hit it? Did you name your avatar? Did you outline it in your 5-step process or your signature system? Did you implement frameworks, okay? And then celebrate the success. If anyone finishes a course or gets that far along, they are in an elite category. They are in the 1% of action takers, and they should be congratulated for that. So now we're not even there yet, but if you're this far and you're watching this video, I commend you for your patience and your effort and your willingness to learn. This means that you're really investing in yourself with your time and your energy, okay? And maybe even more than that down the line, truly an investment. Jump into the trial of iFocusHQ. I will upload the iFocus automation system right into your account. I'll walk you through how to do it. Okay, how to build your course, how to market it, how to sell it. You can leverage the community. We can go over that at the end, but start the trial. Start the trial and get up and running, and you might even be making sales before the end of the trial is over. And if you're not, or if you're close or whatever, I'm there to help you. I want to help you. That is my goal. Anyway, shameless plug along the way, but that's what this is for. I mean, it's literally software to help you do what you want to do in this course. So if not, guess what? You can post it on YouTube. You can post it on Kajabi. You can post it on wherever you want. You can post it on Twitter. I don't care. Do whatever you want. I just can make your life a lot easier, automate the marketing, help you with the hosting, and have a community that will, celebrate your successes along the way. So we'll see you in the next lesson.